I am really happy to welcome His Excellency Mr. Mohammed Babar to Surgical Association of Pakistan. I think it's the right time when His Excellency decided to visit Sialkot, which is a hub of export-oriented industries. It is really encouraging to know that there is a wish among both governments, the Nigeria and Pakistan, to enhance bilateral trade. And I am really happy to learn that you are also considering to have a direct flight connection between Pakistan and Nigeria. I think when we establish this direct connection, then there will be an easy way to have people-to-people contact, and we will be able to enhance our trade ties. In the presence of His Excellency, I would like to have some suggestions, especially considering the trade of surgical instruments. You have your Standard Organization of Nigeria, SON, which is responsible for the registration of medical and surgical devices in Nigeria. We would like, through your good self, we would like to have a liaison between Surgical Association and SON. It will help businesses of both ends to promote trade of surgical instruments. Secondly, it will be great if you can manage the visit of your Minister of Industry to Sialkot, so he can personally even visit some units, because as I already mentioned that we have Sialkot is the hub of export-oriented industries. And above all, it's very important if your government, if they can grant a gratis visa to Pakistan business community, because I think current scenario is that the visa fee is above, I think, $250, and if you can grant us gratis visa, it will enable businessmen from our country to easily visit Nigeria. As you mentioned that visa on arrival, I think if visa on arrival, as I learned that there was this facility in past, I don't know what is the current scenario, but it will be a good opportunity if you grant us visa on arrival, and especially the gratis. And we would also suggest that your High Commissioner, if you can organize an event like Pakistan-Africa Trade Development Conference, and it will be great if you held this conference at Sialkot, because we have many industries here in Sialkot. I learned that our High Commission in Nigeria, they are bringing a delegation of Nigerian businessmen to attend this engineering expo at Lahore. It is also a good opportunity, and we will even suggest TDAP, and we will also request through your good self that we would like to welcome if your delegation can visit Sialkot. We will provide them this opportunity to visit some units and visit Surgical Association, where they can have meeting with our main members of this industry. So thank you very much for visiting Surgical Association, and I have no doubt that this your visit will inshallah in future will help us to enhance our trade ties. Thank you very much for listening.